Hello guys, this is my student record manager program. I use list, functions, FLs, loops, dictionaries, and file handling topics. First, students. The student data is stored in a list called students. Each student's information is saved as a dictionary. Next, function. First, student. Add student. Adds a new student by asking for their name, grade, and address. View students. Displays all the students' details, name, grade, address. Save to file. Writes the student data to a text file for storage. And last, menu. Displays the main menu in the run programs in a loop until the user decides to exit. Third, FLs. Input validation is done using FLs statements. Loops. The program uses while loops to repeatedly prompt the user for valid input until they provide it. For example, if a user enters an invalid name, like containing numbers, the loop will keep asking for a valid name until it's correct. Dictionary. Each student is represented as dictionary with three key value pairs: name, grade, address, and last, file handling. File handling is used to save the student records to a text file. When the user selects Save to File, all the student data is written to the file so it can be accessed later. This is my demo. That's all. Thank you.